was subbed in set number 1, didn't play set number 2. Now they're looking to get one last win before they end their campaign here in the Reinforced Conference. And as for Akari, they want to solidify their position in the 5th place.
That's the highest they could get right now. First point goes to Chocomucho on that Nunag block. They lost the cream line there. And they're looking to make it back. Sharp serve for Royce. Tobino. Popped up by Dino Wong. Another free ball for the Akari Chargers. The set to the middle. Soltones from the left pin. Good deflection at the net. Dina, bibigay kay Molde. Great first pass. Rejected at the net.
Good block for Chocomucho. We know that they're also a good blocking team. Of course, led by
Good serve by Marley Smith. Mitchum. Basic na basic.
Off the block.
Malden now serving. Mitchum. Straight up and down.
Pala, magdo-double digits na agad yung reinforcement ng Akari.
Back row, Mitchum.
And is dropped in by
Now,
Annie
officially,
Mitchum.
she's... So there's a tendency to forget about those drop balls.
Dina. Lunag was deflected by Domingo. Soyud from the right pin. Malde popping it up. Mars. Back to Soyud. Naiangat ni General. Chance ball para sa Akari. Alba. Not the set Ellie wanted. Dina will give Tobino a try. It's still in play. Soyud na naman. Right to the last second, Dina Wong. Mitchum from the back row. Back set, Smith from the right pin. And they cut this lead down to 1.
Now's the time for Marley Smith to go all out as a reinforcement. You are really tasked to score.
Tobino with some crucial service. We go opposite side. Dina Wong na punta kay Domingo. Tobino will try setting for Smith. Easy over. Dina the set. Smith ties it up at 22.
Trying to go to that cross-court shot sa simula pa lang ng set number 1. Pag nabigay mo yung tamang height for Marley Smith.
Soyud
Soyud.
just found an opening. Mitchum. Not quite there. Molde for the lead. And there was a check ball. Set number 2 coming your way. Soltones is back in. Well-timed block there by Domingo and Alba. Mitchum. 2 blockers, slowing it down. Molde was denied. Marley na naman!
That's what we've been saying. You don't need to totally stop Annie Mitchum kasi mahirap talaga yon. But they were able to get a good rebound from the block.
Slide, Madayag. You've been looking for that, Leo. Slide again for Maddie. Captain play by Akari. Down by Posti.
3 points. Apologies, that was the first.
Marley with great defense. Tobino scores! Off system. Chance ball. Dina the set. Tobino. Bring it on.
I guess Coach Tina wanted better defensive pattern up front.
Good net defense. Tobino reloads. Cal to Mitchum. Mitchum again. And it's still in play.
Ooh, chance ball for Chocomucho.
Molde. Dina. Combination play.
That is the first combination play for the Flying Titans in this entire game. For Akari to run their own combination.
Victoria off the block. Clutch point. Over receive. Muntikan pa. Balik sa Chocomucho. Papalo si Smith.
When the ball is in front of her, grabe yung trajectory ng bola. Talagang straight down. Single block. Easy point for Martin.
Victoria. That's 2 points for Camille Victoria. And they finish.
If Akari wants to establish a bigger margin against Chocomucho, the other players need to score because right now, it has been Eli Soyud and Annie Mitchum scoring for them. Wow!
What a
Grabe
dive.
yung reflexes ni Justin Hazareno.
Steady blockings. Marlies will score the first point for Chocomucho.
Scrappy defense displayed by Justin Hazareno. It's so simple.
Marley, I was about to say, she's been a little quiet. Good response to that run. Akari back with a 3-point lead. Madayag.
Off the block for Betty Madayag.
Andaya. Chance here, one-handed set. Muntikan. Dindin. On the bench. Kneeling set. Going right. Tobino, a chance for the lead. No whistle. We shall continue. Andaya to Dindin, Santiago Manabat.
Wow, Dindin.
Good exchange. Cal wanting Soltones. Now from the other side, binalik na naman. Soltones, saved by Andaya. Soltones could not get it across. Maddie, setter for Dindin with the block breaker. An attempt by Domingo. Soltones straight to Maddie. Santiago Manabat going short. Good check there by Nunag. Very much in play. Cal will try Soltones. 2 blockers present. Soltones out of bounds on the sharp cross. Andaya. Easily put up by Mars. Alba now attacking. Maddie showing us her digging skills. And Tobino breaking the barrier. We are
Challenge Chocomucho to a loose point.
Mitchum got the bounce. That's 2 straight points now. Tobino returned. Santiago Manabat is denied, but good recovery for Chocomucho. Manny Mitchum will try. That's 3 straight points for the Akari Chargers. Dina to Nunag. Mitchum looking to tie. Tobino for the finisher.
Great finish for Chocomucho. That was the right decision for...
Let's see if Akari can force a set number 5. Marley Smith. Other side, Tobino. Mitchum is now looking to take over.
On her way to 30 points. Oh,
Vivi Sharma striking from the middle. Perfect time to go to Althea Franco. Over received. Mitchum with a put away. Tobino, there was a check right there. Alba, give it to the hot hand.
wala na tayong space sa stat sheet.
Max Wangpo is inside for the first time. So Tones, back row hit.
Off the hands, Royce Tobino.
You always have to play on kasi may challenge naman. So if you lose focus, you might end up losing the point.
Maggie is heating up here. That's 3 straight points from Madzilla. Opportunity here for Chocomucho. Tobino flying.
Off the hands, Royce
And give
Tobino.
Chocomucho a 1-point lead as we head into our second technical timeout. Mitchum. Moldy to Royce. Tobino with another one.
He knows Mars all too well.
And it's been working. Mitchum the slide. Dina Wong says, I'm right here. Tobino with a put away.
She's having the game of her life now.
Madayag was there to defend the net. And Chocomucho. Fifi. Alba going right pin.
Through the block.
Victoria
Tobino
using the
Victoria.
blocker's hands.
That was the main.
Marley Smith denied. And Chocomucho will get the point on a net touch. Marley Smith says goodbye, Philippines.
What a way to end her stint here in the Philippines. An exclamation point there for the reinforcement of Chocomucho and a well-deserved 4-set win.